Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Just a quick one for you here today. Ring. Now, this stock had a monster run on Friday, and then it just continued Monday, and then now we have today. Guys, this is a time for you to sell. Now, some idiot's going to buy this tomorrow. They always do. Missed out on it on the first day, didn't get in on it yesterday because you were kind of chicken. Then today you're looking at this and you're thinking, well, this is my opportunity. I'm telling you, even if this stock runs up to 180, 190, 200 bucks tomorrow, this is the time when you literally have to sell this stock. You think about it. On Thursday, the stock opened at 122. Now it's up here. Like what, 3 days later, it's 3 trading days later, it's up 44%. And you can see volume today was just, was higher than average, but not that much higher than average. And the stock closed down, not a lot, but a little bit. You can say, oh, well, this is a doji. Yeah, a doji reflects uncertainty, a push between the bulls and the bears. Well, guys, after a 44% run, uncertainty, I got kind of a pretty strong feeling the way this thing is certain to resolve, and that would be to the downside. So tomorrow morning, this is really easy. Tomorrow morning, you need to be taking profits on this thing, okay? That's all I got for you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.